In this video, I'm going to walk you through some very common Arabic sayings used in spoken Arabic, particularly the Palestinian, Jordanian Arabic, but also which falls under the Levantine dialect. If you're brand new to Arabic, you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure to check out the free mini course links in the bio. Let's get into the video. The first saying I have for you is Ija يكحلها عماها. Again, Ija يكحلها عماها. Ija, there's a video that I talk about where I talk about this verb, he came. Make sure to watch that video. Ija يكحلها, so he came to apply kuhl or eyeliner. عماها. Now it's not the prettiest thing, but it's used to deliver a certain message. So ama, he blinded her. He came to apply kuhl, so he blinded her. This is okay, again, not a pretty thing, but it's very, very commonly used to mean when someone is trying to do something or tries to fix the situation, but actually makes it worse. Right? If someone is trying to solve a problem, but he starts another problem. Oh, we use this. It's a very practical in this sense, where someone's trying to fix something, and you have these situations. You have a friend trying to, you're having an argument with a friend, and then another friend tries to interferes in the argument, trying to calm things down, and ends up making it a lot bigger, causing a huger problem. So Ija يكحلها عماها. He came to apply kuhl and then he blinded her. Ija يكحلها عماها. Remember this one. The second saying, and then all these involve the verb Ija, he came and she came. Again, just kind of to continue and to help you practice the verb that we conjugated recently, where I showed you how to conjugate. Next one is Ija وإيده فاضية. Ija وإيده فاضية. So Ija, he came, and Ija وإيده, his hand, Eid, and then إيده. Ija وإيده فاضية. Basically, he came empty-handed. We say this, when someone, there's a special occasion or something where, out of courtesy, you would show up and bring a gift, courtesy gift or something, just whatever gift, and then someone just shows up, no gift. إجا وإيده فاضية. جاب إشي, did he bring anything? إجا وإيده فاضية. إجا وإيده فاضية. Okay, إجا وإيده فاضية. Cool. The next thing we have is إجيت والله جابك. You're saying this directly to a male. إجيت والله جابك يا زلمة. إجيت والله جابك. إجيت والله جابك. Basically, it's like you came at the right time. You came at the perfect time, when we needed you. إجيت, you came. والله جابك, and God brought you. God sent you to us at the right time, that kind of thing. Okay, إجيت والله جابك. Literally, you came and God brought you. إجيت والله جابك. Okay, but again, the meaning behind it is like you came at the right time. Amazing. And then similar one, if you want to say this to a female, إجيتي والله جابك. إجيتي والله جابك. Okay, don't worry if you're a beginner. Don't worry too much about the conjugations. Again, this is a little bit more for the advanced if you want to know how to conjugate. And then off of the same kind of pattern, or it's the same saying, but to use it, for example, to a female or about a female, you could say إجت والله جابها. Either this can be about a person or a thing, yeah, like something, like a very fortunate thing. Oh, إجت والله جابها. إجت والله جابها. Okay, a person, but feminine, has to be feminine noun, yeah. إجت والله جابها. Right. She came, and God brought her. Okay, just some quick kind of sayings for you involving this verb. Again, I conjugated in a different video. Make sure to check it out. Let me know what other sayings maybe you've come across, or if the sayings in English they use a lot. A lot of times we have equivalents. For example, the one I'm thinking of right now is necessity is the mother of invention. Al-haja al-ikhtira'. Al-haja al-ikhtira'. Okay, so a lot of these we have, they're universal, right? So if you think of any, let me know, even in English, let me know in the comments, and I can make like a video of all these, okay? Or multiple videos. تمام. أشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.